everyone, my name is Shiny Claire Montebon from BEd 2 and I am the first reporter in our group and our topic is about performance assessment. Performance assessment. A. What and why of performance assessment? Number 1. Meaning and nature. What is performance assessment? It is also known as alternative assessment, a form of testing that requires students to perform a task rather than select an answer from a ready-made list by Mel et al. 1993. Performance assessment, isang pagtatasa kung saan gagawin ng estudyante ang task kaysa sa pumili ng sagot sa multiple choice. For example, dancing, cooking, theater show, project presenting, and etc. Based diba sa mga example na sinabi ko is walang multiple choice na pagpipilian kundi actual performance yung mga ginagawa ng estudyante. Nature of Performance Assessment. According to Lee 1995, performance assessment provide a basis of teachers to evaluate both the effectiveness of the process or procedure used. For example, approach to data collection, manipulation of instrument, and the product resulting from performance of a task. For example, completed report of result, completed artwork. Ang performance assessment ay tumutukoy sa natapos na output ng estudyante upang malaman kung tama or epektibo ang proseso na ginamit sa paggawa ng gawain. For example, completed report, tinitingnan ng guro kung kompleto, maayos at malinaw ang paggawa ng report. And another example is completed artwork, tinitingnan ng guro kung paano ginawa ang artwork at kung nakasunod ba sa tamang proseso at criteria. Purpose of performance assessment. This assessment measure how well students apply their knowledge, skills, and abilities to authentic problems. It is required the student to produce something such as report, experiment, or performance, which is scored in a specific criteria by Leder et al. 2019. Ang performance assessment ay isang pagtatasa kung saan tinitingnan kung paano ginagamit ng estudyante ang kanyang natutunan, hindi lang kung ano ang kanyang naalala. Ibig sabihin, sinusukat nito kung kaya bang i-apply ng estudyante ang knowledge, skills at kakayahan nito sa totoong sitwasyon o problema. Halimbawa, gumawa ng report, mag-perform ng experiment, gumawa ng artwork o project at iba pa. And then sa pagbigay ng score ng guro is hindi lang tama or mali yung tinitingnan nila, kundi may specific criteria or rubric silang sinusunod. Types of performance assessment, process-based performance assessment, and product-based performance assessment. Process-based, it is concerned with an actual task performance rather than the output or product of an activity. It evaluates the actual task performance. It does not emphasize on the output or product of the activity. This assessment aims to know what processes a person undergoes when given a task by Pesedas 2014. Ang process-based assessment ay nakatuon sa paraan o proseso kung paano ginawa ng estudyante ang isang gawain, hindi lang sa mismong output o final product nito. Ibig sabihin, tinitinan ng guro kung paano ginawa ang task and then tinitinan rin ng guro ang mga techniques, skills at diskarte sa paggawa ng mismong product na iyon. And hindi gaanong mahalaga na maipakita mo yung final output mo sa process-based assessment, kundi mahalaga na maipakita mo kung paano ang proseso ng paggawa mo ng iyong task. Product-based, a kind of assessment wherein the assessor views and score the final product made and not on the actual performance of making that product. Product assessment focuses on evaluating the result or outcome of the process by Pesedas 2014. Ang product-based assessment ay nakatuon sa final output o produkto na ginawa ng estudyante, hindi sa mismong proseso kung paano ito ginawa. Ibig sabihin, tinitingnan ng guro ang kinalalabasan ng gawain. Binibigyan ng score batay sa quality, accuracy, and completeness ng produkto. Hindi masyadong tinitingnan ng guro kung paano ang proseso or kung paano ginawa ang produkto, kundi mahalaga na maipakita ng estudyante ang mismong product na ginawa niya.